All right, welcome to this third floor, one bedroom, Beacon Hill apartment. All right, there we go. So lots of carpet. I'm sure you saw that in the photos, but tons of carpet. Decorative fireplace right there. Okay, so the windows do need to be washed and cleaned, but if you look closely, you can see this window you have the State House. In this window, you can see the Boston Common. And in this window over here, you can see the Prudential building. All right. They're doing a little bit of not construction, but like light repairs, painting, patching up. So that's what you see there on the counter. But it is a pretty nice, good sized breakfast counter. Fridge, electric stove, sink, cabinets up top, below, little food pantry right here. Decorative fireplace, as I mentioned. There is this kind of shelf that runs across right there. Okay. Pretty cool view. All right. That's an amazing view of Boston. So back to the entrance, the front entrance of the apartment. And over here you have this very deep closet with some built-in shelves right there. Good for storage. Let's go over into the bedroom. Okay. So good sized bedroom. Another window. So again, the windows are a bit cloudy, but still lets in tons of light. We have this closet right there. And let's check out that bathroom. So, tiled bathroom, tub and shower combo, toilet, sink, vanity, all right. Little radiator right there. The heat and hot water are included. There's laundry in the basement, coin operated. I believe it's $1.50. Yeah, this is Angel from Leopold McMasters. Let me know if you have any other questions at all, and I'd be more than happy to answer them for you, all right? Have a good one. Hope you enjoy the video tour.